bike, didn't you?
Yeah.
But dude, it's respect, man. I love that thing.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking our drag mini bike to the 8th mile drag strip. In the last video we were having some bog issues, but I fixed them all off camera. I did switch to a 35mm carburetor. The thing runs really nice now, really crisp. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and head over to the drag strip.
Motor, is that an 85?
Have you ever driven it on the road?
Oh yeah.
With the slick on it? Wheelie bar and everything? Did that pop a wheelie on you?
Not with the wheelie bar. Well, it comes off a few inches wide.
Not enough to scare you. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
I'll be out there watching you.
Alright guys, check this out. We are at the drag strip. This is the 8th mile drag strip. So I built this thing to dominate the 8th mile. Quarter mile is a bit too much of a stretch. So yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and start this joint and try to head down the track. Wow, a 10-second pass. Oh, oops. Dang, guys. 2.2 to the 60, that is pretty bad. I kind of slept on the launch a little bit, so, but I'll take 10 seconds. So let's see how much we can cut down on this.
A short road right here.
Oh, really?
Right here. You don't have to go all the way down through there if you can get slow enough to pull in right here.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You just like riding that thing, go for it.
Guys, I ain't giving up. Hey guys, the pressure is on. I totally flopped that last pass.
Easier, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
All right then.
Man, I slept on that one. Okay guys, so I made 3 passes and I'm not really happy with any of them. So I'm hoping to redeem myself on this pass. I'm still really not feeling 100%. So I am kind of tired and just exhausted, but I'm doing this just for you guys. So we're shooting for an 8.5 or better. Or sorry, a 9.5 or better. It's 230cc 2-stroke.
Okay. That thing's pretty quick.
Just need more practice.
You know that money.
Thank you.
Barrel waited too long, he started sucking in all that soot.
Thank you.
All right, buddy.
Oh, awesome. First 9. Check that out, guys. I got my first 9-second pass. Update number 2. We just scored a 9.7 pass. I honestly came here thinking I was gonna get an 8, but guys, there's just a lot of stuff to learn. There's a lot of things I need to get down on my launch. It does seem like my gearing is way too tall, but once we get some more power going, it should be a lot better. Our brake caliper is giving us some issues. It's a little bit stiff and it's kind of slowing us down, I feel like.
You run the little bike, didn't you?
Yeah.
But dude, it's respect, man. I love that thing, dude.
Thank
See,
you.
that's what makes it exciting. Stuff
Oh
like
yeah.
that.
Something different.
Yeah.
What's top speed on that little bike?
I topped to 76, but I'm sure it has more lower than yours.
Yeah. Right?
I'll bring
And,
my dirt back up here next and we'll go.
So guys, I had a lot of great reactions and it looks like the majority of people here are super down to earth and chill, and this guy was just really loving my mini bike. But he was actually telling me that this junior dragster was tuned all the way down and the kid was doing 9 seconds flat, which is just insane. I actually did some research into these engines and it turns out that they're air-cooled Briggs & Stratton flathead engines. If I'm not mistaken, this motor runs the 330cc class, and for 330cc's they can get a whopping 50 horsepower at 8,000 or 9,000 RPMs. Alright, it's bike time now. We got 4 bikes here. These are some fast bikes. Nine six, guys, the fastest pass so far. Alright guys, we got some competition. We got a Harley. Hey, how many cc's is that in that motor?
That's a 88.
88
88.
cc.
No, that's a 88 cubic inch.
Oh, cubic inch.
Yes, it's nothing. It's weak. The Harley.
slept on that.
I seen you. I knew how to tear your ass up. I thought I'd rip him out the hole so bad.
Hey, how does this thing run a 9-second flat?
Ram air. Ram air is what got you.
That's what I said, the air tank.
Hey, let's run again.
What happened? That's what the question is. You just.
No, I barely tapped it and it went into neutral.
That's what I'm saying.
And
I think when you just.
But that was a good. That was a
Not
good.
bad, though.
I got a. I mean, it's decent. I got 9.8. What? 9.5.
So I was gonna race the sports bike, but last minute they let me rematch the Harley. I honestly don't see how they let him race without a race jacket and without a proper helmet, but it is what it is.
So the fastest we were able to run was 9.62. I mean, we had a few little issues, so we'll come back next time stronger than ever. Hopefully chase down that 8. So I gotta give a huge thanks to Bryce for helping me record this video. None of my friends were able to come out, so big thanks to you, Bryce.
I'm excited about it, man. That thing's gonna be ugly.
The fastest I got was 9.62.
He just hit 9 flat. Yeah.
Oh. And you said it's tuned down?
Yeah, all the way.
Dang.
It's like I got it way all the way down. I can't wait to see what you do with that, man. I'm excited.
I mean, I'll probably be here the next test. Well,
yeah, that's Tuesday.
I think I gotta just drop the gearing down.
Man, knock it down and then come back, because I can't wait to see what you do with it.
All right, hey.
Hey, man, it's an awesome job,
Thank
bro.
you. Thank you.
Have a good one.
We stopped by a Taco Bell, and here's Ricky. He's actually a fan of the channel.
What's up, guys?
Hey, thanks for watching the channel.
No problem, my guy. Come back and see me.
So yeah guys, even though I didn't reach my goal and I lost, it was still a very fun time and I'm definitely coming back for round 2. But let me know what you want to see improve on my video. I only have one GoPro and I just asked the people at the track to record and they did a pretty good job. So hit that like button down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Was it too long? Was it too short? Was it perfect? Keep in mind this is my first time at the Dragstrip and I ain't no motorcycle pro or anything like that. There's bound to be people talking trash, but I really don't care. Guys, engine wise, there's still a whole lot we can improve on. We can get this thing ported, we can get a better clutch, the list goes on and on. So yeah guys, let me know what you think and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned and peace.